And still no lights from the McLaren. Well, a couple of them missing the turn initiative down the on and the second only Erebus steady, so it's easily in the races. The clock has already started. The Erebus Mercedes on the inside, heading up to the first left-hander. We're waiting for the green flag. And the 2014 Liqui Moly Bathurst 12 hours is